Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing bulk cooking, so I'm going to show you how I'm about to get it all done. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. If you like motivational video, give me a thumbs up. Please share my video to your friends and loved ones.
Making jollof rice, party jollof rice. Try it and honestly came out so good. I'm so happy. This got rice. Man, this
my onion powder, garlic powder, my curry and my goya seasoning. Just season it to your taste. Mix everything to compact. Mix. This is a very quick recipe. I'm going to be adding it to the tray now. I want to mix it in the tray. Add my rice, add some vegetables. See, this way you toast your vegetables in one part and then start mixing it with your fried rice. Guys, your fried rice will never get bad if you go this way. You mix your vegetables with your rice. You just put them in the rice like that. Try this recipe. This rice came out. Your friends will love it if you try. Guys, try this and come and say thank you, Gucci's Kitchen. If you have been watching me till now, you haven't subscribed, please do me well by subscribing and hit on the bell notification, so anytime I upload new videos you will be the first to get notified. And please share my videos to your friends and loved ones. Guys, this rice is so delicious. Garnish with your spring onion.
Yes, our chicken wings. I've gone ahead to clean it nicely with hot water, lemon, lime and some salt. So here are my seasoning. I'm going to add them in. You can add any seasoning of your choice. I'm going to mix everything together until it is nicely incorporated. Our chicken wings have been marinating, so I'm going to go ahead and start frying it. We don't have time to waste here. This onion will make it give you some beautiful aroma, so I'm going to start putting it in. Just add as much as I can. Now guys, let's allow it to fry well and then we'll add the remaining one. See that golden brown chicken wings. So guys, I'm going to be adding my onions to this pot of oil. So I'll let this toast for like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. And then we'll start adding other. I want to try this ogbono to see if it's going to work, like draw very well. Yeah, I want to see if it's going to draw, so I'm going to add this ogbono like so. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Yeah, you can fry your ogbono this way. You can just fry it with oil and onion, or you can fry your peppers. Sorry, you can fry your peppers, put your onion, and then if you like ginger and garlic, you can go ahead and add to your peppers. So for my peppers, I have bell, all the red bell, and I have scotch bonnet, and then I have my onion. I added some shallot, onion, and then yeah, that was it for my, so I'm just going to let it toast for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll add all my meat stock and let it start cooking together. Then I add crayfish. So guys, I'm going to add my crayfish at this point. You want everything to taste lovely, so you want to add your crayfish just to toast it together with your ogbono for a little bit, and then you add your water. So at this point, if you want to know if your ogbono is cooked, this is when you know that it's cooked. You see all the oil is inside your ogbono, and then it's trying to come out. You can see some oil coming out from this ogbono. That is how you know your ogbono is nicely cooked. So at this point, you want to go in with your drop of water. Add your water like so, and just stir it all together. Let the ogbono release, you know. So this is the same time you will know if it's ogbono that will draw. See, if it's ogbono that will draw, it will start drawing. Can you see? This ogbono is not going to be the one that will draw. So I'll quickly go to my farm and harvest the okras I have there. I didn't intend to put okra in this very ogbono soup, but because it's not going to be drawing if I don't add okra. I actually wanted to buy this ogbono from a friend, but I asked that I try it first because I eat ogbono a lot. My husband likes ogbono, so I eat ogbono a lot. If you watch my videos, you will see I have a lot of videos on ogbono soup. So this ogbono will draw very well. So to help this ogbono, I'm just going to go to my garden and get some okra. So guys, I'm going to add my meat stock. I have stockfish, goat meat, cow leg, assorted, you know, it's assorted meats. I've cooked it down. I've been wanting to make this soup for some time, but I don't have time at all. It's been a very busy period. So I'm going to add my boiled. So guys, like I told you, you can see the ogbono is not drawing at all. And you see, if it's ogbono that would draw, you would have started seeing the sign. It's not drawing at all. Upon the fact that I fried it so well to make sure I bring out the best out of it. See? So I'm going to blend my okra. I'll let it cook until the whole meat is dissolved, and then I'll add my okra. You guys, here's the okra I just got from my garden. This is just a privilege to me. Like in America, you just go to your backyard and get some okra to make your soup, get some bitter leaf. Oh my God, it makes me feel so great, guys. I'm not kidding you. This is like how many harvests now? This is about the 3rd harvest I've made from that okra. Yeah, by the grace of God. I mean, I'm so grateful. Look at the okra I got from my garden. You guys, can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? Can you beat this? Oh my God. This is just God. I harvested few 2 days ago, and then I just quickly went to my garden now and harvested these other few ones. And then the first one I harvested, I'm drying it because of next season, so I'll have okra to plant. I'm so grateful. Like, I'm so loving this garden thing, oh. I'm looking like my mother already. Like, she will just go to her backyard, harvest bitter leaf, scent leaf, otazi leaf, uziza, you know, all this stuff. So I mean, it makes me feel so incredible. It makes me feel so blessed, like so honored. I am privileged. That is all I can say. Thank you, Jesus. Now I'm going to show you my bitter leaf. So here is the bitter leaf I harvested. I just harvested this one just few weeks ago, and we washed it. I just brought it out from the freezer, and I'm going to be using this because I want bitter leaf in that soup. Trust me, guys, you can't beat the things that bitter leaf does for your body. So if you want to try this, just let me know. Do you like bitter leaf for your ogbono soup, or do you like the regular punk leaf, uziza leaf? I like to add uziza leaf to my ogbono soup, nchon leaf. I mean, I'm one person that can add like 2-3 different type of leaves into my soup, and it comes out very delicious. I got that from Mom. Trust me, it's usually so amazing if you try this. So stay tuned. We're going to check our soup in a little bit. So guys, our soup has been boiling. You can see It doesn't draw at all. See, you won't even believe this is ogbono soup. See, it looks like the peanut soup I cooked the other day. I mean, you can imagine that sometimes you don't get the right ogbono. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to return it because I already told the guy, I said if it's not drawing, I'm going to return it. I'm not ready to cook ogbono that is not going to draw. So there won't be any need for me to take ogbono that doesn't draw. So I'm going to add my mangala fish. Yeah, I'm using mangala fish and I'm using the head. Mangala is very expensive. I was honored by my sister that brought these things for me. My sister just brought these things for me. My big sister, I'm grateful wherever you are. God bless you, sis, for blessing me with this goodness. I will be eating this mangala fish like little by little because I don't want to run out of it. Mangala fish is a very wonderful fish. I remember when my mother used to sell all of these things back in the days. We make soup with it and it's usually very delicious in soups, especially if you're making any soup that has bitter leaf or uzuza or nchon. Like if you add just one mangala, everybody will know there's mangala fish in that soup. If you can relate to this, let me know in the comment section if you know mangala fish, because my mom sold all of these foodstuffs: crayfish, egusi, peppers, mangala fish, stockfish. She used to travel far away to go and buy, all of these things. She even go to Ugwausa, what do they call it? Meduguri. She traveled as far as Meduguri. People, a lot of them, they just travel to get foodstuffs and sell to people in larger quantities. And that was how I knew all of these things. So I know ogbono that draws. I will tell you from when I start frying the ogbono. When I start frying ogbono, like I will tell you from when I start frying ogbono that can draw. So you can see this ogbono is not drawing at all. My mother did this business, so that was how I was able to know all these things. I can tell you ogbono that doesn't draw well from when I start frying it. Ogbono that draws, from when you start frying it, you start seeing the sign that, oh, this ogbono will draw. So the moment I started frying this one, I knew this was not going to draw. So I quickly went to my garden and took some okras that I had there just to support it. And I didn't intend to use okra at all in this ogbono soup. Like I said, I love ogbono so much. My husband likes it a lot, so very much. So if you know ogbono that draws, like from the beginning, let me know in the comment section. Like if you're somebody who is like me, that can quickly know ogbono that is good, or egusi or crayfish, I can tell you Oron crayfish, I can tell you Ilaje crayfish. We have different type of crayfish from different places. Oron crayfish is the best crayfish. It's so delicious. A little spoon of Oron crayfish in your afan soup will go a very long way, I'm telling you. So a lot of people don't know all these things, but I was able to know all these things from my mom because she sold foodstuffs in large quantities. She traveled to Meduguri. She travels far away with so many other people to get foodstuffs, and I was able to know all these things because I was with my mother from time I did business with her. She taught me how to do business, so I picked up all of these good stuff from her. So I hope you enjoy this ogbono soup recipe video. Stay tuned. I'm going to dice my okra, blend it, and then I'll show you when I'm about to add it, okay? Our soup is about to be ready. So guys, here is the okra. I have sliced and blended it up. I'm going to add it in. It will help me to post the... Here's our soup, guys. It's ready. I'm just going to add the bitter leaf. Add whichever vegetable of your choice. I like bitter leaf a lot, and it's very healthy and medicinal. So that is what I'm using for this recipe. You can use spinach, ugu, which is punk leaf. You can use any other type of vegetable, but yeah. You can even use scent leaf. You can use uziza leaf. Yeah. You can use utazi leaf. All of these leaves are also good for ogbono soup. Yeah. But if you really want to enjoy ogbono soup, use scent leaf and uziza, or use only bitter leaf. You will love that you did. These are all tips I'm giving you. I'll close it up. I'll come back in 1 minute. So guys, we're going to stir up our soup. Our fufu is going on the other side. I'll show you. Guys, yeah, this is like 10 minutes later. So guys, this is like our soup is ready, guys. I hope you give this a try. Let me know how you like the ogbono. Can you see? At least the okra helped it a little bit. The okra has helped it a little bit, but you won't really see the okra though. But yeah, our soup is ready and it tastes so divine. Be eating in a little. Okay guys, my fufu is going on here. This is oatmeal fufu. I'm going to get it ready and start eating. So guys, I've made fufu. I'm going to add soup right now. Yeah, I'll be right now.
I'm not into human trafficking.
I'm going to sit down and eat my own, guys, before I end this vlog. Honestly, I'm tired. I hope you try it out though with your friends and loved ones. They will really love it. But meanwhile, I'm going to eat first